Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Reddit for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar you must simply type in Reddit. Then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard and then hit the install icon right next to Reddit. Once Reddit is installed on your device, head over to your app drawer and then search for Reddit in the search bar and then open up Reddit on your device. Once you're inside Reddit, simply hit Get Started to create an account. Here you can continue with Google or continue with email. For now I'm going to be hitting Continue with email. Here you can enter your email address and then hit next and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. If you already have an account, simply hit I already have an account, hit continue with email or username, enter your email over here and the password and your password below it, and then log in. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply hit email me a login link, enter your email address on which the login link will be sent to you, tap on the link and then you'll be able to start using the Reddit app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.